What's going on, people? I'm joined by a special guest. You can say your name.
Good old Tyler Quinn.
Yep, he's here. And today we are going to do a different thing. No live stream today. Maybe later, if you stay awake.
Oh, I got that. Rip it. I'll be fine.
Okay. They brought back the chicken.
They brought back the Kin series.
Oh yes.
I might have to go
But today I'm gonna open this pack, and well, I guess you can hold the camera because I have to open the packs one by one, and then just give me the camera back.
Sorry for the finger, guys.
Oh well.
It's not like I haven't done it a bunch of times in AEW. Go subscribe at All Star Stream Wrestling.
Must you plug yourself on every video?
Every video.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
If I wanted to plug myself in, I could just plug in my Instagram. You know, Tyler_Quinn.
So we have the Godfather, Steve Austin, the Boogeyman. I know who likes that card. Nate, Horrible. Billy Kay. I mean, that's Peyton. I'm an idiot. Lana needs to go in a hole. Hey, look, Jeff Hardy. You can have that because I have a dupe of it. Saxton, which I miss. Hey, Buddy Murphy.
Congrats on the
Tag team. Apollo Crews. Kurt Axel, which I'd never see. Elias. Who wants to walk with Elias? Mickey James. Rusev. Selena Vega. Aleister Black's wife. Kofi Kingston. Corey Graves says Rusev. A Ronda Rousey card. You can hold that up. It's a 40. I have a whole bunch of them. Eddie Guerrero, 20 years of SmackDown, defeats Rey Mysterio in a steel cage match. Kurt Angle wins 20-man Battle Royal for the World Heavyweight Championship. We have a women's Naomi and Charlotte main event SmackDown Live. And a green Corey Graves, which I don't know what the greens are. I guess they're uncommons.
That makes sense.
Yeah, but my favorites are these, honestly. I have like 2 of these, so there's that pack. There you go. Also, yeah. Also bought this Rey Mysterio figure. It will not be unboxed in this video. Very good figure. I've heard a lot of good reviews, so that's good. On to the box. The one where you're guaranteed something good. So you can hold that.
Again, sorry for the finger, guys.
It is what it is. I'm not going to edit this anyway, so whatever happens, whatever happens. Because I don't
That's
really
how
care.
every YouTube video should be, in my opinion.
Okay. Box. That way. So, this is the good thing. This will be saved for last.
I'll hold on to that.
And here are all the packs. So,
How many are there?
there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one was 11.
So how about you open 5, I open 5.
Alright.
Thing is, I don't really ever open packs.
You want to go first or what?
You go first. Because you'll be opening this one last. So you'll go first, I'll do these.
Okay. Sounds about right. And they go full.
That multi-cut action. Never mind.
One at a time.
Just kidding. Yeah, maybe you'll actually have a video that goes past 10 minutes.
Eh. It is what it is. I accidentally touched the card. There's an Aleister Black Sig, 1 of 1. My life would die. Okay. This is the most difficult part. Sorry about my leg. Any dupes I get, you can have. I don't know how you feel about that, but Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Better than letting them go to waste.
Boogeyman. I'll give that to Nate. This is almost the exact same order the other one was. It was Boogeyman, Steve. Oh my God, Lana.
So is this really just the same?
Jeff Hardy.
This is the same pack.
Basically. And a Ronda Rousey, which I have, so you can have that. And
A lot
then
of those are
that
good.
was
Wow.
a terrible pack. Rey Mysterio debuts on SmackDown.
Yeah,
which
a
I
lot
have.
of those were
Dupes.
dupes.
So, there you go. Just get the boogeyman out so I can give it to Nick.
They're dupes.
I don't know how that happened, but it is what it is, I guess, right? Can't always get something good. I need a camera, because this is a lot harder than it looks with one hand.
That's why I volunteered to hold them.
So, Byron Saxton. Hey,
It's your boy.
my boy. Hey, imagine I'm matching with him in Prime. Hey, Eddie. A Green Goldberg. Interesting. Corey Graves, Randy Orton.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
And Shinsuke Nakamura defeats John Cena, which was a good match. But sad thing was, Vince ruined Nakamura.
I'm kind of curious on what green means.
Probably uncommon.
Is it that like only the second green that you just found?
Yep.
The first one. So yeah, it might be uncommon.
So we have Goldberg, just not green. Paige. Kevin Owens. Ember Moon. Shorty G. Oh, kind of. Corey Graves. Carmella. And 20 years with SmackDown, Rusev becomes the more contendership for the WWE Championship. You can have that. I have to do with that. And that Corey Graves card right there under that toilet paper.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to get a camera for this because this is just hard to do. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna edit it. People are gonna like it no matter what. Even if and I spoiled the cards. I seen a Corey Graves card in there. So we have Andrade, Triple H, Christian.
Oh, that's great.
That's a young Christian.
It looked like Orton
Strong.
upside down.
It looked like Strong.
Yeah.
Pimping ain't easy.
And
Hey, a
another-
gold green, and it's Eddie. I'll gladly take that. That's a good. Corey Graves, Daniel Bryan. I have a dupe of that, so you can have that.
It's literally the one that I just sat up here.
Oh, and 20 years SmackDown, Eddie Guerrero becomes WWE Champion. I have a dupe of that, so you can have that as well. You're probably going to pull him anyway.
Probably.
Is this my last pack? This is my last pack.
Alright. While you're doing that one, I'll cut these ones. Brilliant, right?
Brilliant. Just simply brilliant. I thought you were Ricochet at first, but you were not. So, Samir Singh,
Ew.
Liv Morgan, Kyrie Sane,
Concussion.
Greg Hamilton.
Hamilton.
What is his name? Hamilton?
Hamilton.
Yeah, Big E. Corey Graves says Sheamus, which I have a dupe of. And 20 years of SmackDown, Kurt Angle gives his best Shawn Michaels inspiration. And I don't have that card. So, probably the best pull so far is that Eddie and that Kurt. But I need to order some sleeves because I don't have a lot of sleeves, so they're just gonna sit in the bag for a little bit. Throw those away. He's opening his. You only get to see the shirt. Now, do you want to record it or do you want to?
You stand up.
Okay, I have to.
Sit down. Okay. And I guarantee you were just close up on my face.
Probably.
We'll sit this one right here on me, just to anticipate. I'm gonna back up.
Good stuff.
Relax.
Unless I get a dupe.
There we go.
Liv Morgan.
Everything in there is nothing. It's the Corey Graves that we just got.
This is.
All right, first pack. Maybe.
This thing looks like Piper. Couldn't tell.
Yep, Roddy Piper.
Hey. Roddy Piper.
Rest in peace.
Mm-hmm.
Bo Dallas, B Team.
They've upped their theme song. Looks like Trish. Oh, Charlotte.
Charlotte.
I don't have that card. Be gentle.
Beth Phoenix.
Edge is smashing.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. That's his wife.
Edge is waiting backstage. What are you talking about?
Hmm.
Finlay.
Finally.
Sheamus' father.
Pretty much. No, that's Hornswoggle.
Corey says Asuka. I actually really like this card.
Oh, I have that card.
And 20 years of SmackDown, Orton defeating Christian to win the World Championship.
I actually don't have that card either.
It's decent.
Good little pull there.
Great thing is I have no clue what any of these mean and how
Neither do
rare
I.
some things are.
All I know is if you see something gold or silver, it's good.
Okay.
Or something that's most likely a signature.
Those fell and then some flipped upside down, and you do not understand how aggravating that is to me.
We're probably missing SmackDown, but
What time is it?
I can't look.
7:41. My AEW case.
Of course, he has to plug it.
I have yet to plug any merch. So
Buy my merch.
that definitely next new videos. Once we start recording again, are gonna have the merch right in the description every video. So we got an Asuka.
I don't even think I have that card either.
It honestly looks like it'd be a basic Asuka.
Mhm.
I'm pretty sure I saw you open this one.
Oh yeah, you can have it. And it's Matt Hardy.
I'm so glad Matt Hardy is. Even though he may not be happy, big boss man.
Rest in peace.
Yeah. But even though Matt may not be happy, I hope he does what he wants to do. Just don't go to All Elite.
Go to our all the way.
Farouk. Or
Yeah, Farouk.
Farouk.
Hey, green page.
It's Paige here.
The meme.
Corey says Shane's crazy ass. That was right before he got a concussion.
Was it?
'Cause,
Was it Roman?
Yeah, that's when he got speared by Roman.
Oh wow. I don't have that one. I don't think.
And then 20 years of SmackDown. Cesaro defeating Randy Orton.
I have that, so you can have that.
Roman on the top. Yeah, Roman's cover a lot of these. So if there's SmackDown ones, are there Raw ones as well?
I believe yes.
Should probably looking to get those.
I can't find any.
It is my boy, and honestly, like if I had to pick a favorite right now, R-Truth.
I think you can have that. I have them. I think I have a green version of him too.
Maurice.
Yummy, but
The worst WWE champion of all time. Hands down.
it was.
Billy Kay. So
There's
now you got
Billy
them
Kay.
both. That was bugging me. A green Ember Moon.
Nice. You're getting all the good pulls.
Corey says Charlotte.
I have that.
And
I think I have that, so I believe you can have that.
you'll have to go through your cards after this video and see.
Yep. Hey, the minute's 13 minutes long. And we're not even done yet.
Where do you get these from?
Walmart, Target.
Oh, so you don't like have like a subscription or anything?
No.
You should look into getting one of those too. Rikishi.
Rikishi.
Good Jerry the King Lawler.
Puppies!
Oh, Aiden English.
Why do you have to be on the announced team? You were a decently good wrestler.
Yeah, he would have been good for the mid card. Daniel Bryan about to get murdered by Samoa Joe in big retirement. A green Kevin Owens.
Nice. Corey Graves.
Corey says The Miz.
I have that.
And Jeff Hardy defeats Undertaker.
I think I have that too.
I really hope so. 'Cause that match was so good. And the promo before that match was Jeff's best promo.
Mm-hmm.
Easily. Like, the energy, the feel.
I also like the match he had on Raw against Taker in that ladder match.
The old one
Mhm.
in 02, yeah. That was a really good match. And I personally think from that moment on, people knew Jeff was going to be a really big single star.
Poor Matt.
Yeah, Matt, he's a good single star, but I just feel like he didn't have, with their generation, he didn't have the match that solidified him, which sucks. Speaking of sucking,
that was brilliant. Beard man.
my personal favorite rivalry on Raw storyline on Raw right
What's
now.
in that crate?
Yeah, I think it's so good because everybody wants to know, so it's having people tune in. Tucker,
Hey, I need Otis.
D'Lo Brown,
He made someone die almost. Hey, no skipping.
Scott Hall,
Hey, Chico.
yes,
Oh, that's new. I don't have that one.
and then 20 years of SmackDown. Kurt Angle defeats Rey Mysterio. Pretty sure you just opened that one actually.
Okay, for the final one. Also, I think it comes with women cards too, so be ready for the dupes on that.
This is so aggravating me. Who knew the biggest bad guy in AEW has OCD about cards?
Oh, I have one too, and it was bugging me.
Yeah, you guys are getting to see backstage. I'm really not that bad of a person. I just know how to do good things. Ring of Honor, hire me.
With so many things that's going on, they probably might.
I personally, with you being part of AEW, I know you don't quite know exactly what's going to happen with your YouTube channel.
It's just gonna be
But
a thing.
it should be everything, but I think you should do vlogs of like behind the scenes when we're recording.
Shoot, I do a vlog. I don't give a fuck. All right.
And I told you, yeah, we're building suspense to that, so you guys get to hear this conversation. You're going to that training school with me.
I know.
So you guys can expect that in the future sometime. Seeing us in a training school. Hearing about what happens.
God.
Has a hard time.
Hold on. There. I got it. Oh,
What do we get?
let me see the camera. We got a Ziggler. This is not what I thought. The Miz. Oh my goodness.
OG Kofi.
OG Kofi. Oh, OG Flair. Woo. And a matte relic of Sheamus.
Nice.
At least it wasn't Buddy Murphy or R-Truth. Because I already had them. Yeah, I have a lot of relics. I have one Sig now. It's the Miz. But I really want to get a Sig, but I don't think I can. But it is what it is. That was decently
Start
good.
looking into the wall packs.
I did, and the funny thing is, they're not a pack. They're like this weird little thing it's like a little binder type thing.
I see.
And my first pack I opened had an Aleister Black matte relic from NXT. They probably just seen my address. I might have to edit.
Uh-oh.
I believe they did.
Oh.
I'll have to edit the video. So,
Hold on. You know what? You might have just screwed yourself. It doesn't look like you got anything to write with. This is what happens after you graduate, huh? You just toss everything.
pretty much. It doesn't matter. I'll just cut that part out.
It's not that big of a deal. You're not that popular yet.
Still, I don't want someone showing up randomly out of nowhere.
We'll have to watch it back.
Aim. All right. To see what is inside, you must open the box.
Which,
He is
for
doing.
dopes, is kind of difficult.
Also, my finger's swollen, so yeah.
Tyler Quinn versus Tape. Pride or Pain 2020. Main event right there.
Pretty much. All right. So, the first thing you see is the envelope because it opened up backwards. So we have the new Elite Jeff Hardy that just came out, so you can take that. And we have Jeff Hardy when he had dreadlocks.
Also gorgeous.
So,
This was this? No, this was a couple years before. The Hardy that, this was the Hardy that won the world championship.
This was the OG Hardy. And this also was the OG Hardy. Glad I finally got this figure. Been searching for it for a while. And this is when he won the Intercontinental Championship.
This
should have came with the belt.
This was Hardy's first single run.
Mm-hmm.
So it was 02. That was when he faced Taker.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of the devil and the devil shot up here. And then the Rey Mysterio, as you all may know. So, that is everything that we have.
2 straight weeks of me being in videos. Look at me go.
Good job. I will see y'all. Possibility. Hold up. Now do it. I will possibly be seeing everyone in a live stream after SmackDown if this man is still up.
I'll be up.
Okay.
I'm nowhere near tired.
Well, good. Okay. See y'all later.